And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't believe the reason right.
Well, folks, sorry about the plastic jumbling noise here. I've, what do you call it? I guess I've become the Wilton junkyard for scrap Wilton voices, but anyway, that's besides the point. I got copper jaws with it, or brass, or whatever. I want to try polishing them up and see how they look. So anyway, this is what they look like right now, just for the hell of it. And I'm going to show you one piece after I'm done in a few minutes, what it looks like. Hello, folks. It's me again. Yeah, check out these jaws. This is number 4 jaw here. That's the front. I didn't do a good job with this other one. This is one side. This is what it looked like. This is what it looks like now. Nice and shiny. Did a quick job. They're scuffed up and dinged and banged. And see, the underside is not that it's cut out to be, but look. It's got a shine to it. Nice and smooth. Nice. So yeah, I just did a quick polish. I want to see how it looked. Basically, it goes on here. And this one goes on here. What do you think? Shiny or not shiny? I'm thinking not bad. I like the nice little shiny look. It's still hot from the buffer. Anyway, just thought I'd do that. I'm going to buff it up later. No point in putting an hour of buffing on camera. I'll just show you the beginning and the end and ta-da, done. Anyway, enjoy.